1989 Pacific trading cards, Baseball Legends, wax packs. All new second series. Picked up 5 of these from McNulty Sports Cards in the bins. Let's do 2 right now, double shot. I remember getting these growing up. I don't remember the packs, but I've got a bunch of these. Pretty cool cards. Some of them have some value to them. Usually they're of older players, so we start out with checking our corners. Corners are looking good. This back one here may be a little bit of an issue, but looks like we just fixed it a bit. All right, Joe Nuxhall, never heard of him. Bert Campaneris, heard of him. Joe Cronin, that's an old one. Glenn Beckert. Archie Vaughn, that's another old one, old Pirates player. Mel Harder, this looks like a coach. Roger Kramer, oh, that's an old one. And finally, Sam Jethro. Alrighty, let's see what pack number 2 is. These are 10 card packs. 10 card wax packs. It's nice that there aren't any wax staining on these cards. Well, very, very, very minimal. All right, we've got, let's check these corners. Corners are looking fine. We've got Del Ennis. Oh, Vita Blue, nice. Put Vita up there. Nice. Whitey Ford. What a legend. Big time friend of Mickey Mantle. Jesse Haynes. Smokey Burgess. Earl Averill. Hoyt Wilhelm. Thornton Lee, old White Sox player there. Hank Bauer, that's somebody that sounds familiar. And finally, Joe Schultz, catcher manager for, what's that, the Seattle Pilots? I think that was their name before they changed over to the Mariners. Sounds like we got some fire trucks making an appearance in the video. I hope those guys stay safe. All right, so what did we pick up in that second pack? Got that Vita Blue, that's key. Looks like he played for the Athletics back then. Was it the Philadelphia Athletics back then? Doesn't say, just says A's. And then we've got Whitey Ford for the ever-famous New York Yankees. Not bad. Double shot of 10 card packs, 1989 Pacific. Trading cards, Baseball Legends, second series. We'll do the other 3 packs another day. All right, y'all stay safe, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.